Hello, today I want to present you our Into demo game. As you see, we start in the first turn. First, we can there are collisions of wall, so we can go anymore. Like and also collisions that change scenes and change rooms. And here is a boss, and we also can switch to another mechanic and different things here. As you see, we have like enemies. We have enemies that have AI that chasing you, chasing player. Also enemies that we have to kill, and three hearts is health. Like we have three attempts to kill them all. Oh, okay. As you can see, we can only attack them if we click left button. This is the only way. Also, we can't click it all the time. It's like have a time delay, so we can um, not like click every time and attack every time. So we lost and switched to game over scene. And if we win, okay, first one. Yep, you won, and you can try again. That's everything I will show you next. Our code. First, we will start with a player. Here, movement. Uh, it just has simple control and animation, as you can as you saw. Um, Also speed, um, control. Then here we switch position, like updating it. And here are colliders that help us to switch between rooms. Then we have enemies. Here we have like player, move speed, rigid body, rotation, so we can so it can face the player. Here we're updating our direction and also position. And here is our movement. And let's see the players that we use in the fighting scene. Here, score, also health, cooldown, so we can like have small breaks between attacks. Then speed, attack mode, attack speed, yeah, as you can see. So here is simple control, and attack mode. Uh, in this update, if we have attack mode off, we cannot attack other enemies. and also we can take damage. And it's like simple update of position. And look direction is like as you saw when player facing the cursor, and here is its rotation. And here is like taking damage and winning. Here is like attack. First we click left button, then we check in if cooldown, like if we have complete cooldown, like maximum. Uh, then if it's not, we play this update for for some time and we check in if it's not true, like attack mode. So here is updating position, and if we can't attack, here is like a small cooldown between attacks. Yeah. Here is a simple block spawner, like to spawn them randomly on the scene. Here is like this uh, typing score, how many enemies we have left on screen, and here is a button to go on boss like scene again. Okay, help. It's like code. It helps us to draw these hearts. I see this one. Okay. Um, let me see. I think there should be something more. Turn, core. Yeah, that's everything. We don't use this one. Yeah, that's pretty everything that we wanted to show you. Thank you.